Watch this video and learn how to draw your favorite thing, Artie, a cupcake.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. Welcome to the show. What shall we draw?
I don't know what to draw.
Well, why don't we draw one of your favorite things?
Yeah, please.
How about we draw a cupcake?
Oh, yeah. Oh, good idea. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see you there.
The little artists have joined.
That's right. We're all here. Let's start.
Man, Betty, look at that blank piece of paper. Isn't it exciting?
Oh, the possibilities.
Okay, let's start. Let's draw two little black circles near the bottom of the page. These are going to be our cupcake's eyeballs. Do another one on the right, Artie. Shade it in. That's right. Looks like two little blueberries. Now let's draw a big circle around the left eye. Perfect, Artie. It looks like he's looking at you. Now let's draw another circle around the right eye. Perfect.
Wow, so impressive.
Let's draw a right eyebrow just outside the eye. Shaded in black, Artie. That's it. Now let's do a left eyebrow just above the eye and shade that in black as well.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thanks for those tips, Louie. Okay, let's do a smiley mouth with a big tongue sticking out. Add two little triangles in the corners and shade those in black as well.
Look at him go, little artists.
I guess you really like your theme tune, Artie. Now, let's draw an S shape at the top of the page and a curve coming down from the top with a little bump. Draw the bump, Artie. That's it.
I think he's doing great.
Another bump. Let's do a third one. Bump. Let's do 3 bumps on the left side. Another one. It looks like he has hair. He's a cupcake with hair. I don't think a hairy cupcake would taste very good, Artie. Now we're going to draw a curved line from the end of each of our bumps right across to the other side. Now it doesn't look like hair anymore now, it looks like frosting. Your favourite, Artie.
Oh, yum yum.
Alright, our frosting is nearly done. Let's draw the cup. So we'll draw a line on the left side at an angle coming down. And another one on the right side. That's it.
Oh, wait.
Dance break.
Wait.
Okay, let's have a dance break.
Oh, sorry. Well, beautiful. Just beautiful. 10, of course. 10.
That was a really good dance break, Artie. Let's carry on with the drawing now. Let's draw a curve from the bottom of the line, but be careful to stop when you reach the tongue. And then another curve on the right. Now let's draw a jagged line all the way along the top. This is going to look like the paper outside the cupcake.
Isn't art fun?
I think so.
Now let's draw lines down from the top of each of those jagged lines. These are the folds in the paper that holds the cupcake. A couple more lines, Artie. Make sure you stop when you get to the eyes. Nearly done. Oh, yummy. This is looking good. Grab that thinner pen, Artie. The thin one over there. That's it. Yes. Now we're going to draw all the sprinkles on top of the frosting. Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
Draw lots of sprinkles, evenly spread out in the frosting. Lots of different angles, different positions. That's it, Artie.
Man, you really are working hard down there, Artie.
He is, Mikey. For this to look really good, it's going to need lots of sprinkles. It's definitely hard work, but it's fun. Perhaps just 2 more. That's it. Oh, and there's a gap on the right there. That's it, Artie. Perfect. Finished? This makes me want to eat a cupcake. Yummy. How wonderful, Artie. I love the bright yellow frosting and the pink sprinkles.
Hey, we hope you enjoyed the show. See you next time.
I sure did. Have a great day, little artists.
That's right. Have a great day and have an Artie day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.